There's a land far, far away from the orange man where Huawei can do anything it can. What's up guys, it's time to talk about Huawei and their world record, actually two world records. First one is in tech and second one is in pure badassery. The founder of Huawei, Ren Zhengfei, says we don't need US in order to survive. To him, this is just another test. He has faced even bigger challenges than this, so he actually doesn't care. And he even said that he doesn't expect US to take them off the entity list. He seems very confident, and the reason why he seems so confident is that the business of Huawei is currently doing really good. According to the market research from Canalys, Huawei had a strong increase in the shipment game and sold 66.8 million smartphone units with 19% shares and 29% annual growth. Again, that is a worldwide shipment. Even with the ban, the growth of Huawei has been pretty insane. When it comes to the homegrown China, Huawei is like Thanos. A complete dominance in China with 42% market share and 66% annual growth. That's a massive blow to other Chinese brands. The Mate 30 sales have been skyrocketed. Even the 5G model that was just announced about a week ago has gotten tons of sales. The home support is certainly insane. It's all because everything that happened, Huawei is like a hero company in China. It's all playing in favor of Huawei. Even the board of directors said that we're gonna continue to grow even without US. If any company that can do it, it's Huawei. Now coming to the actual world record, they set the world record for the fastest 5G phone speed ever tested on a single smartphone. They scored 2.96 GB per second download speeds. This happened with Turk Telecom, a carrier in Turkey. They were testing out the 5G speeds on a single smartphone. The smartphone that was used was of course the Huawei Mate 20X 5G version, and the result was insane. Pretty dope, I would say. Seeing all this, imagine if Huawei was never banned by US. It's very likely that they would have surpassed Samsung. Major news is that US will soon grant license to the companies who wants to do business with Huawei. According to Wilbur Ross, while speaking to Bloomberg, he said that the license will be coming soon. They received about 206 applications, which they did not expect. And Google is most likely going to be one of the companies who wants to do business with Huawei, so Huawei could still get the Google services back, and we can finally see their flagship phones coming to the worldwide game once again. I really hope that happens. Huawei is important to smartphone world. They're taking risks, they're bringing innovations. Even with everything that happened, they're still going strong. Anyways, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding Huawei and the current stage, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.